How to create Binance account. Creating a Binance account allows you to trade, buy, and sell cryptocurrencies securely. Follow these simple steps to get started. 1. Visit Binance website or download the app. Go to https://www.binance.com, https://www.binance.com, or download the Binance app from the App Store or Google Play. 2. Click Sign Up. Choose email or phone number as your registration method. Enter your details and create a strong password. 3. Verify your email or phone. Binance will send a verification code to your email or phone number. Then, enter the code to confirm your account. 4. Complete identity verification, KYC. Upload a government-issued ID, passport, driver's license, or national ID. Take a selfie for facial verification. Then wait for Binance to approve your KYC, usually within minutes to hours. 5. Set up 2FA security. Recommended. Enable two-factor authentication via Google Authenticator or SMS for extra security. 6. Deposit funds and start trading. Use bank transfer, credit, debit card, or crypto deposit to fund your account. Then you can start buying, selling, and trading crypto on Binance. And that's all for this tutorial. Thank you.